Hi guys, so I'm going to basically try to fit this strap onto here. I'm going to see if this fits into this one here. No, it doesn't. It's a different shape. Okay, compared to it, it seems it's the same size. It's quite robust. The one that they sent me before was basically for this strap here, and that is 20 millimeters. So if you are going to get replacement buckle, make sure you measure the actual strap itself, which is the length, which is the width, okay? So if we just take this one off, take the, I think it's elasticated, but we'll take this off, and then we have to feed this through, basically. Okay, it's quite simple. Thought it'd be a bit difficult, but okay. Right. Okay. So this one's this is the female end. Okay. So we need to make sure we feed that through the right way. So that's going to be the outside. So that's going to be a bit weird, isn't it? How? Okay. So how's that going to stay on there then? It's a problem, isn't it? It's not going to stay, is it? It's not going to adjust. So basically this one doesn't adjust, so that's not going to work. So we're going to stick to this one, which is the female. This doesn't matter which way, it's just the same. It's exactly the same compared to the other one, which you feed it through. That's weird, isn't it? Interesting. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. So it's only going to adjust one side. So what I'll have to do with the male end, I'm going to have the same situation on this one as well. So basically I can't adjust it. Which is annoying. So if I just feed that through, that can't be moved basically. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Unless I feed that one through there, then that way it doesn't move, does it? So the only way to solve that problem so if I feed that through, so this is a problem I'm going to get, guys, so but it's still achievable. You just need to use your imagination. So that one's going to go through there. It's going to be a bit of a long one, guys, sorry about that. You need to work out how to do it. So I need to make this strap here a bit longer. basically. So there's only going to be one side that I can adjust basically on the belt, which is going to be a pain in the ass, but hey ho. I could do it both. I could probably just do it one side, that's it, which is through there. That's annoying, isn't it? Unless I just I might have to just tie it, mate, because it's so annoying me. That won't adjust. I don't know how to do that. And when you're hiking, you don't want to be. That will fit through there. It's just a bit fiddly. So if I just feed that one through. It's a bit tight. I'll just use my key to push it through. That's it. Let's push that through a little bit. Bitch. That's it, just get through. That's it. And then just push that one through as well. Come on. And then this one. That's it. Just had a pair of pliers or something just to pull it. If I just use my key just to try to bring it up a little bit. Problem is it's caught. That's it. That's a pain, mate, isn't it? Thing is, I need a belt strap, you know what I mean? Especially when you're hiking, you need to make sure the, there you go, it's come through. Especially when you're hiking, you need to make sure that the pack's not moving around, so it'll start rubbing. And then because it's rubbing, it's going to cause blisters on your back. You don't want that, especially when you start sweating and stuff like that. So just going to feed that one through there. That's it, get in there. Yeah, I'm not supposed to have that in there, but I've got no choice, have I? If I just use my key just to push that through. That's the problem. This should be like a quick jobby, but because I can't feed it through, because this strap's not really supposed to go through that one, but I've got no choice, have I? That's it, get in there. That's it. And just use your key or just something. That's it. Just get that in there. Problem with nylon straps, they're such a pain in the ass to get through a nook and cranny. So this one's going to be a long video, guys, so I'm going to start the video again because it's going to be, this one's part one, just for the sake of views. Please like, comment, subscribe, see you in another video. Bye bye.